On an ex-work shipment, who's responsible to provide the SLI or file the AES?
Okay, so now we're talking exports from the States. At the end of the day, on an ex-works term coming out of the United States, the buyer, which is a routed export transaction, the buyer on a routed export transaction is responsible to authorize their chosen forwarder to file the AES. However, the shipper is still responsible to provide the buyer's forwarder with many data elements listed on the SLI. But technically, the seller is not required to provide an SLI to the forwarder that their buyer has chosen. At the end of the day, the forwarder needs the shipper's or buyer's authorization to file the AES. The forwarder needs it from somebody. The issue that we run into as forwarders is that the buyers overseas don't know that. So they're buying it on and you're selling on an ex-works term, but they don't know that they have to give a power of attorney or a shipper's letter of instruction to somebody in the States. It's just they're not informed of that. So at the end of the day, what winds up happening in a lot of cases is the forwarders are sending the SLI to the shippers, to expedite the shipment and just get things moving.
As the seller, is there a downside to ex-works?
Yes, there is, I'd say. Number one, you might be dealing with a different forwarder every week because your customer's going with the cheap and cheerful one for the week. And then plus, if you are then filling out an SLI and you're not controlling the export information that you're sending to customs yourself, it doesn't matter which forwarder is filing for you. If they do it wrong, it's your problem. You are the US PPI. So we recommend that if you're using an ex-work term, okay, and you're going to have all these other forwarders that might be doing it, or maybe it's just one forwarder, but get the export data, have them send what they've transmitted, to customs to you so you can verify it's accurate. That's the best practice. And, if you're doing that and your license determination information is sound, that's a good practice to abide by.